Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrate a new project, and this project is made up of using a PHP and MySQL. The project title is Udemy Clones. Like in a Udemy, we have the courses where user can buy the courses and then that user can watch the videos inside that courses. In this project, we have the two modules. One is for the admin and one is for the users. Website where you can find the project, just go to this website updateger.com and then select the PHP projects, and after that, or you can just directly search with the e-learning website, or you can just go with the PHP projects, and after that you just scroll the projects. Here you will find an e-learning project, or just you can just directly search this project, like just entering e-learning management systems. Let's go to the home page, and inside this home page you just enter this. Okay, and after that I think you will find this project, e-learning management systems, this one, e-learning management systems. After selecting this project, you will navigate to this project. So inside this page you will find all the detail of this project. Just scroll down and just check the details of this project. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because we have uploaded lots of projects related to the different programming languages like PHP, Java, Pythons, and data science related project also, like advanced face recognition based banking systems, caretaker using PHP AI based traffic system. So we have lots of projects. Now let's come to the projects. This is the projects. Inside this, we have the two modules. One is for the admin and another for the users. Just log in as a users, or okay, just log in as a user. I just sign up first. I'm using a name update guard, and decode it as ID. Decode it at the rate gmail.com, and then password, I'm using the same password as my email ID. Okay, now I have just successfully registration. Now just navigate to the login page, or without login I cannot enroll any courses. So just if I try to enroll any courses like this one, so I just select the buy. So first I need to registration, or I need to login first. Without login I cannot buy any courses. So this is the authentication we are using. Like without login you cannot buy any courses. So first I just go to the login page and then use my email ID and the password. Okay, it's showing the invalid email ID and password. I don't know why. Okay, now it's login. Might be some spacing error, so that might be the error. Now I just open it and I go to the courses pages. It will show the all the courses that are available right now. I just select like this complete PHP, or yeah, I just select this complete PHP project. Here currently we have only the 3 lessons, but admin can add more lessons inside these courses, like complete PHP bootcamp. If I want to buy this project, I just select this course. Now this is the main part. If you want to add payment integration in this project, so you just need to add a real-time payment inside this page. Like if I navigate to this page, checkout page, and I just select this checkout. So currently I'm using a demo payment page, so it will automatically take these details and automatically submit the payment. So you don't need to go with the real-time payment. But if you want to use this for the real time, so you just need to add real-time payment here. I just select the checkout page and purchase successfully. Now it will show the course inside my courses section. Now this is the course. If this is the student profile, now I just open this student profile. I can update my profile, like if I want to add a new profile. Now just images, screenshot, I just add this image. and now successfully done. Now this is the image, this is my course. Currently I have purchased only the one course. If I want to add another course, now this time I will go with this hands-on artificial intelligence. Select this course, buy this course. Now this is the detail of this project. One more thing, every time you will purchase a new course, it will display the new order ID. So this order ID generate automatically on the runtime, and you cannot change this order ID or email ID or amount or anything in the course ID, because this is only for the this page only for the read only. So just check out, complete payment. Now this user have the two courses. One is the complete PHP and second one is for the hand-on artificial intelligence. Like if I want to watch this project, this course, select this course. Now here is the video, and in the left side it will show me the all the uh, lessons. Currently I have added only the two lessons, so it will showing me the two lessons. This is the video I have added. If I go back to my courses, now this time I will go back to the home pages. So this is the user panel. Like in a Udemy we have the user panels. Now this time we have successfully login and successfully purchase a new courses from the this website. Now I just go to the admin section. For the admin I need to log in as an admin@gmail.com, and admin login, successfully login. Now this is the dashboard of the admin. Inside this admin there are the lots of things, but I will explain all the things, so don't worry, just stay with this video. This is the total courses. Currently we have the 8 courses. This is the total number of students. This is the sold out courses. If I select the course section, it will display me all the courses here. If I want to add any courses, I just select the edit section. I can update the courses detail that are already present in this course section. If I want to add a new course as an admin, so I just select this one and I can add a new course. Like I'm just adding a Java. Okay, just a moment. I'm just adding a Java course detail. I'm just adding this one only. Okay, author, decode it. Okay, just an author is decode it. Course duration 2 months. Original price is 1000 rupees. Original price is 900 rupees, and course on selling 1500 rupees. Just adding an image. This time I'm just adding this image, this one, and submit. Now you can check I have added a new course, and if I currently this course don't have any playlist. If I want to check this, I can check here. If I want to check this course as a user panel, I can check this all courses pages. Now this is the new course that we have added recently. But if I select the enroll, now we don't have any lessons, so I need to add a lessons first. Just go to the admin page and go to the lessons. The course ID is I think 20. Search course name is Java. We don't have any lessons here, so we need to add a lessons. Just add a lessons. Lessons 1 is chapter 1, and the descriptions I can add any descriptions. Okay, and we have to add a video. So I think I don't have any video recent. I don't have any video, so what I can do, I can update this one. Okay, I just update this one, submit. Now if I just go here, now this have the chapter 1. This is automatically updated, and now this is chapter 1, so you can check as an a course also. Now this is the student total number of students. If I want to add or update any student, so I can add an update from here, add a new students, or update a new student from here, update existing students. Total number of sales I can check from here to here, from this to today and search. So these are the total number of sales that we have done in this month. We can print also if I want to print. So I can print this as an admin, and the payment checkout. So I just need to check one course so that I can check the payment for that course. Now I'm just using this user ID, this order ID. So just I need to enter the order ID and view. This is a payment receipt. This is also a demo receipt. So this is not the actual payment. This is also demo receipt. You can add a real-time payment option, and then you can add a real-time receipt option also. This is the feedback that the students can add the feedbacks. This is for the change the password, and this is for the logout. So if you are interested in this project, you can check the descriptions of this video. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel, because we have already uploaded lots of projects for the last 3 students. So